No more waiting for hours, waiting for your drop donuts or your puff puff to get ready. This recipe that you're about to watch now gets ready within 30 minutes. Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I start by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl. You can add more or less. To that, I added 1 egg. I'll be using pineapple flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. The next is egg yellow. This is just for color. You can substitute with turmeric, alright? It is totally optional in case you don't like the color. I added water. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I'll be adding evaporated milk. In the absence of evaporated milk, please feel free to add whole milk, all right? Mix to combine very well. Our wet ingredients is ready. Set it aside. In another bowl, start sifting all-purpose flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it, all right? To that, I'm moving with baking powder, a pinch of salt, and milk flavor. In the absence of milk flavor, add powdered milk, all right? Mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with the wet ingredients. Once I add the wet ingredients, you can either mix with your palm or with a spatula. At a point, I noticed that the wet ingredients wasn't enough, so I added extra water. The list of the ingredients will be at the comment section, also at the description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I continue to mix till everything is well combined, alright? I am loving the color at this moment. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, it is time to mold. First, I rub some oil on my palm. You can also use an ice cream scooper to scoop direct into the hot oil. But for those that doesn't know how to mold in a perfect round shape, please pay attention. Mold and drop, all right? Mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Okay, mold and drop into the hot moderate oil. Please, the oil should not be too hot. Do this as quickly as possible so that everything will cook at once. Beautiful shout out to you, Violet, watching from Zambia, Ingrid from Sri Lanka, watching from Lagos, Nigeria, and Olivia all the way from Cameroon. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, after molding and dropping, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, you are going to flip the other side to cook as well. Allow to cook again for another 2 minutes. Continue to flip them around from time to time. Very important. Fry according to your preferred texture, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Look at those cuties. Are you loving what you are seeing? I'm sure you do. Take them out of the hot oil, put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple, fast, and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, it turned out so well. Now, it does not absorb too much oil. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia, super yummy, so filling. I want you to give it a try this weekend and get back to me as usual. You can enjoy just the way it is, or you can dust with sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. This is totally optional. Go ahead and marry with your loved ones. I hope you find this video helpful. Do have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.